as the Queen of the Universal Magnum, give this privilege and the power and authority for the sovereign commanding-in-chief of the NATO Lucas Empire. We were able to recover the United Nations, the Organization of Islamic Conference, the International Court of Justice, all major agencies of the world. Salamat sa aking mga kapatid on the western side, the royalty who really embraced me. Thank you so much. We know that napakatindi ng labanan ni Queen. I just came from Sabah, Kuta Kinabaluan. I have seen and I have discovered that I am really going to fight back for those people who hurt me, who took my name, and who took the name of the Raja. Legalities had been done. Lahat ito ginawa na natin. Kaya ito na ang selebrasyon natin lahat. Pinanalo ko kayo. At ang panalong ito, alam ko, lahat ito ibibigay natin sa makapangyarihang nag-utos sa akin. The Creator Himself. Iyan ang hindi ninyo namalayan. Iyan ang hindi ninyo naintindihan. At iyan ang dapat ninyong namnamin sa ika-62 birthday ni Kuya Raja. Remember, it was the Queen of the Raja Sulaiman, the Queen of Maguindanao, the Queen of Mindanao, the Queen of Visayas, the Queen of Luzon, the Queen of Southeast Asia, of the Royal Empire of Lipaso, of the Royal Hasimite, had installed Raja Mamay as the Sultan of Sulu and North Borneo in October 10, 20. That is the code of 10-10-10. And on the 11-11-11, the code, it was the grandfather Lee who really manifested in my eyes and proved that I am his granddaughter. And I have this full power and authority that is going to be the most important ones. Those that would like to call, this is live. Madam Helen, this is live. Please watch and have this program. Everyone, this is live. And I am telling you that the code of 10-10-10 from the code of 9999, lahat po yan. And I remind everyone who accuse me as the 666, kayo ang 666. Mula ngayon, kayo ang hahabulin ko. Dahil sa inyo, maraming namatay at maraming giyera pa ang dumating nang dahil sa inyo. Nandito na ang commanding natin, sovereign. Pag sinabi mong sovereign niya, milyahe pataas hanggang sa galaxy, milyahe pababa. That means iyan ang sovereign niya. That is the sovereign power and authority na binigay ng mga lolo sa atin. At iyan ang nakuha ni Queen, the Queen of the Universal Magnum, the Queen of the Global Earth. Meron ba kayo niyan? Lahat kayo na kumuha ng pangalan ko dito sa Malaysia, meron ba kayo niyan? I'm sorry, wala kayo niyan. Kaya ngayon, pasalamat tayo na meron tayong mga katulad ni Kuya Raja, nagpakasakit kasama ko. Nakidnap, nakatulog sa sahig. Lahat ito, tiningnan ba ninyo ang tinatawag na sakripisyo? Lahat ito, binibigyan ko kayo ng pagkakataon. Tingnan ninyo mabuti. Tingnan ninyo kung gaano kasakit ang ginawa ninyong pasakit sa akin at kay Kuya Raja. Nakikinig kayo lahat. Mapilindo, Gatutuga, thank you very much. Thank you for everything na binigay ninyo, na ito ay talagang pagkakataon na talagang ano natin. Kaya ito makita ninyo, in the strike of this, makikita ninyo na talagang nagkakaisa ang lahat. Lahat alam ko na meron tayong mga tinitingnan na mga pagkakataon. Pero wala kayong makita. Wala kayong maibubutas dahil na ipanalo ko ang lahat na ito. Kuya Raja, Esperanza, Paul the Divine, Paul Mama, and I ask you to pray with me, and I ask you to name all our forefathers of Raja Husin Kamaluddin, who fought from Lupit Sarai House. In the name of Raja Anak, Ajia Salpasa, Jamalul Kira, Ajumul Aga. In the name of our living witness, Ama Ali, Datu Ismail Mon Ali, Sultan Turun Lawan Dugaga, Sultan Ismail Fitra, at ang ating Saring Maklo, ang matagal na, at ang ating mga anak, sila ang dahilan na simpleng lumang tayo. At ngayon, sinisigurado ko na wala nang maharap dahil bawat pilik na dadaan, dadaan mo na. Mula sa Lord, ngayon nasa sound na. Mula doon sa kanila, sa atin, ang kamay na bakal.